cancer is another area where we have put really large-scale resources into better understanding sort of the underlying causes. We are working very closely with John Maris, who is the chief of oncology here at CHOP, and we have sort of together worked on a very large-scale cohort of patients with neuroblastoma and identified several genes that are causative of neuroblastoma. One in particular which explains the vast majority of the familial cases of neuroblastoma, and interestingly, the gene that we identified there carried a mutation that kept the gene active all the time, so it sort of drove the cancer. And fortunately, that same gene had been identified by one of the pharmaceutical companies for a very, very different disease or indication. So they had already developed a drug against this other disease. So we were able to borrow that and bring that here to CHOP and examine the children who have this particular mutation, who seem to respond extremely well to this medicine. And this is what we're trying to do in other cancers, including leukemia, medulloblastoma, cancers in bones and kidneys and brain and elsewhere.